Hi guys, so today is Sunday and I am making I'm preparing dinner, lunch, brunch, whatever you want to call it. We haven't really eaten yet. It's my cats. It's about 1 o'clock on Sunday. Having my second cup of coffee. I've already been to the store. I didn't know it was supposed to snow and ice tonight or today. But it's supposed to, so I jumped up and went to the store really quick. Let me show you what I got going on here. I've got lots of ground chicken here because I'm doing some tacos today. We're going to do some type of, you know, we're doing Mexican today. I have to work Tuesday, so we won't be doing Taco Tuesday. And then here I've got some chicken breast. I bought 3 chicken breasts, and I'm cooking them in just a little bit of not chicken stock, but a little bit of water, and I added some of the taco seasoning to that. I'm going to shred those up, and we're going to have like chicken tacos, chicken soft tacos, and then regular tacos as well. Seasoned refried beans, because you know the ones you get in the can are just like really bland. I like them, but they're a little bland, but I like to doctor mine up a little bit. I just put them in a pan here, and I'm going to add a can of diced chilies. I've made these before. They are so good. And I'm going to put some minced onions in with them. I'm not going to put real onions in with them because I'm not cooking them long enough to, you know, for my onions to get nice and soft. That's just going to add a nice little flavor to it. And I'm going to add some garlic salt. If I can find it. And I'm going to add some more onion powder. These are so good. Like I said, I've made them before, and it is absolutely amazing. If you guys want the actual recipe, I can give that to you. I can show you how to make these. And I'm going to do some garlic powder. And that way, if somebody wants like some pintos and cheese, or you know, a bean burrito or whatever, I might have to add just a little bit of water to that. But I mean, look at that. So good. Alright, my chicken is done. Look at that. I just kind of poached that in some water. Chicken is so good when you poach it in water. It turns out so tender. I also put some of the taco seasoning in it. I just use the packets of taco seasoning. I'm just going to cut it up real thin. And I'm going to put back in the pan, cover up some more taco seasoning and just a little tiny bit of water. And then I'm just going to sit on the back of the stove and wait for the rest of the food to be done. I love tacos. Look at that. How tender and juicy that is. You know, I learned this little trick poaching chicken when my dad would cook when he was alive. Alright, just want to show you all my little toppings for my tacos. I also bought some Mexican cheese, of course, and I bought some of the little soft tacos shells, and then I bought some if anybody wanted to have like burritos. I've got my taco shells in the oven. I want you to look at my meat. I should drop the camera. My meat's looking all delicious, and I got my beans going on there, and those are so good. And I'm going to take a bite right now as we speak. Taste them. And back there, look at that. I shredded my chicken. So good. Yeah, Daisy's going to get your monster taco. Get back. Look at that. What is that you call those at Taco Bell? Look, Olivia's making, look, Daisy's making her own gordita crunch. Look at that, how good that looks. Girl, you're going too fast. All right, let's look at my beans again, because she's being all, look, Daisy, get down. Get down. Daisy. All right, I'm going to put my tacos together here. Did you anybody have the chicken yet? I don't have the chicken yet. Put you some cheese in that. Alright, I'm making my tacos. I like to put, I like the hot sauce. I'm going to put some hot sauce on mine. Taco hot sauce. Daisy. I like it a lot. I need to buy some of those taco plates. Is what I need to buy. to have this, and then after I eat this, I think I'm going to make me a chicken soft taco. Does that sound yummy? I'm going to put a little lettuce. Dang, those tacos are like spread out. Onion. A little bit of onion. Did you put onion? I put a lot of onion on mine. And then I'm gonna try to have all the cheese or what? And some Mexican cheese. Because I'm trying to keep the dog off of Olivia's food there. And then some tomatoes. Well, look at that, look at that. Oh, looky there. Oh, gosh darn it. Oh, girl. All right, now on to my vegetable soup. I'm making some vegetable soup. I'm just gonna make it in the crock pot, simple and easy. This is no recipe video, so if you want the recipe for my vegetable soup, just let me know. Crock pot vegetable soup is the easiest to make. I'm putting cabbage and what else am I putting in my soup? Well, obviously carrots, because I'm chopping them right now. Cabbage and carrots, okra, and peas, green beans, corn, and potatoes. That's what I'm putting in mine. Oh, and onions. What I normally do is just and some ground chuck. I'm using ground chuck today. I think ground chuck makes the best vegetable soup. But what I normally do is just chop my vegetables. Got some warmth over here all of a sudden. And then I just put everything in the crock pot. I've already browned my ground chuck because I browned it when I was cooking my tacos that were amazing. I'm telling you what, that chicken that I made was off the chain, off the chain, off the chain. But I normally just throw everything in the pot. And I set it and forget it. Alright, I'm going to show you what I got in here. So far, I have got white onions, carrots, potatoes, and quite a bit of cabbage, but that's alright because the cabbage cooks down. I always have a hard time when I make the soup because what I always end up doing is making it more like a stew than a soup. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like when I fill my crock pot with my veggies. I'm also going to add some of the bird's eye classic mixed vegetables. It's got the corn, the peas, and the green beans. And some okra. But I'll show you that when we get there. You guys, they're off the chain. Then I've also got some garlic here, as you can see, and I've got 3 bouillon cubes. I'm going to add a thing of diced tomatoes. And then I like to add beef stock. I like mine beefy. Alright, you guys. Here's a piece of tomato they didn't get all the way chopped up. Look at that. Still got that black part on it. The stem. And then I'm going to add my fresh garlic. You know, I have to put garlic in everything. And then I'm going to add these 3 beef bouillons. And I'm going to fill that up with some water. Dogs, you're not get it in a minute. See, look, it's how thick it already looks. This is ridiculous. But you know what? It's going to be good. Oh, I'm going to kill them. I love cabbage in my soup. I'm going to go ahead and add some of this. What in the world? Bad carrot. Like I said, I'm making this. I'll probably take some to my work family. Look at that. It's already like thick. And I got some okra. I love okra in my soup. Whoa. That's a lot of okra. That's a lot of okra. You guys are getting retarded now. Look how pretty that is. And then I'm going to add some water. What I might end up doing is adding a couple more bouillon cubes. I'll test it later. See how it goes. And I'm going to add, I like to add just a little tiny bit of soul seasoning to mine. It doesn't make it like a Cajun flavor or nothing, but it's got a lot of good seasoning in that. And it makes it like really good. And then I'm going to add some onion powder. Even though we've got the fresh onions in there. I'm not going to add any additional salt because, of course, dogs, I'm trying to vlog here. I want to use some garlic. I'll just leave the garlic powder out. But we're also going to use, this is another seasoning that I've been working on. This is my signature blend, which I'm out of. As you can see, there's a couple little red pepper flakes in there, which I'll go ahead and put those in there. I like a little bit of spiciness to it. And then this is another blend of spices that I have been working on, and it is so good. Actually, I made some chicken with this the other day. It was so good, but I don't have my label on it yet. But I'm going to put some of that in there as well. Just because it's got all my favorites. It's got all my favorites. How about a little black pepper? Oh, you know what I forgot? Y'all better stop. This is my ground chuck that I cooked with my taco meat. Look at that. See, I told you. My soup always ends up in a big pile. But it's going to be so good. Get something to stir it with. And then I have one heck of a mess in now. Oh my. That's going to be delicious. See, I told you, I always end up putting too many vegetables in it. I'm going to put this in its little crock. I might add a little bit more water and maybe another 1 or 2 beef bouillon cubes, and I'm just going to let it cook away. What you think about that? Very pretty, isn't it? It's smelling amazing. Certainly hope you guys enjoyed this short little vlog of everything that I prepared today, from my tacos to my homemade vegetable soup. You know, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.